Thursday afternoon, everybody. It's February 21st, 2019. Welcome to another edition of Talking Fitchburg from the Talking Fitchburg studios here in Fitchburg, Wisconsin, USA. Located in City Hall at the city of Fitchburg. There's probably a right way of saying that, and I'm never going to get it. So you just get what you get with me.
All I heard was Fitchburg a lot of different times. And Wisconsin. So you did get us. We're in the right. This is the correct Fitchburg. Not the Massachusetts Fitchburg.
No, you were here when they visited,
Yes,
right?
I was.
I couldn't remember. I was like,
Yes,
I feel like you're always gone. I don't know.
Wow.
I'm just going to say, I feel like you're never really here. I don't know. Speaking of which, gone. I'm done. I'm gone. Oh, Andrew, come on. Don't leave me hanging here. I'm sorry. We had a very busy night last night, Andrew, here.
Yeah.
With a forum.
This is what you get, though. You don't get to see me anymore.
People are going to be like, what is going on? Oh, my
It was a busy night. I tuned in from home watching the mayoral candidate forum.
Yeah.
And then your live
covered after.
Yeah,
Scott Gerard was like, he was just
all over the place. It was good.
It was really good. Yeah, great perspective to recap that. And I've got both of those shows edited, loading them to our system right now, and they'll be posted up here this afternoon for you to go back and watch, and then we'll rebroadcast them, of course, at a later date here coming up real soon. That's our project this afternoon, Andrew, if you didn't know.
Okay.
You and I are going to eat lunch together, and we're going to talk about those times.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
I like it.
Yeah, we've got a very busy show here for you today on your Thursday. And for the first time in a long time,
yeah,
I'm not telling you about snow here at all.
Woo, woo.
We are going to talk about...
Well, you are. We're going to talk about yesterday's snow.
We're going to talk about yesterday, but I mean, I was at least looking ahead for today and tomorrow.
We're good.
Not so bad.
Saturday, different story. But
Hey,
we're not getting there.
I'm not talking about it today. Nope. I'm not saying nothing.
Okay.
Nada.
Sounds good.
You're going to enjoy the next 2 days. That's right. Today's great. Tomorrow's great.
Weekend
is great.
That's all we're talking about.
The weekend's great for other reasons, but maybe not the one. Anyway, yeah, we've got we'll get you updated on headlines, and then we will recap the mayoral forum last night held by the Fitchburg Star. We got a two-part piece here. We'll give you both the opening statements and then some analysis from Scott Gerard on that, and then we'll give you the closing statements from both candidates, and some wrap up from Scott Gerard on the overall forum, as it were. We'll play it its entirety, giving each equal time here on Talking Fitchburg. And again, you'll be able to go back and watch that forum at a later date here real soon on this station. Or network. We say network? I never said network here. We should say network. I like it. All right. Well, Andrew, how much snow fell yesterday? Do you know?
I do.
Well,
about three.
He may have about 3. Well, I already balled this up for the day, but yeah, lots of snow out there yesterday. Here's just some estimates from some of the reporting out there in Southwest Madison at 3:45 yesterday at 3.5 inches. Near Maple Bluff, they had 3.3 inches. Southwest Madison, 3, and in the Oregon area, 2.8. So I'm gonna say 3 inches.
3.
In the Fitchburg area,
2,
and
3.
it was a pretty scene out there. If you enjoy the snow, I mean, you're really enjoying the videos and all the things we've been sharing with you. We went out to the parks yesterday, so I was like, let's do something different here. Instead of going and showing the streets and stuff, let's show the beauty of wintertime through our parks.
Picturesque.
Yeah, we got a lot of great parks here in Fitchburg, and
From the car of Scott.
poor Scott. Send him out on assignment, and yep. But if you got time to go out this weekend, go out in the next 2 days and enjoy this. I mean, it wasn't bad. The roads were kept up. Again, high five to all snowplow drivers out there for all your hard work and time away from home. We appreciate everything, and I know the cleanup from this storm still going on today and for a little bit, but be patient. I would remind you, too, make sure you clean out those fire hydrants, 3-foot radius around the fire hydrants. And with the warmer weather this weekend, you may want to clear some of those storm drains, too, because there could be some minor flooding on areas. So be aware of that as we roll into the weekend. All right, another headlines for you this morning. Hatchery Road Reconstruction Public Information Meeting number 3 is scheduled. It'll be held on April 8th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. over at the Wyndham Garden Ballroom. It's 2969 K Hill, Maine. The meeting will include a presentation of the final project plans with information about the construction schedule, anticipated impacts, and alternate routes. Also be a Spanish language interpreter there on site as well. Everybody is welcome. We'll actually preview this meeting with Bill Balke and is it Zia or Zia? I always get it wrong. Zia, one of the project managers on this as well. And we'll be showing you that coming up next week. So very excited for that. Sticking on the construction theme here, we also got our schedule for the open houses for the Verona Road construction project. And here they are. Wisconsin DOT will host a few meetings, quarterlies, we call them here. March 21st is your first one. Yeah, can you believe we're already going to be talking about this? March 21st. Wow. They'll be 5 to 6:30 p.m. Usually there's no formal presentation unless something is happening, but you just come in. You can ask any questions you want to. Certainly we'll be at each one of those events and find out what the update is and which way they are moving forward. But Wisconsin DOT has it out there for you, and they suggest, too, that you go to the Verona Road Project.wi.gov and click on Sign Up for Updates tab. And you can stay up to date just like we are here at Fact TV. But if not, then I'll tell you, or Andrew will tell you, or Scott, if he ever gets on here someday. He'll tell you. All right, community surveys out there. I want to remind you that the City of Madison and Dane County needs your input on where to focus on housing and community development funds of our local government, which will receive during the next 5 years from 20 to 2024. There is a process called the Consolidated Plan had started, and this will determine how the funds will be spent. These links are up on our website, fitchburgwi.gov. We'll share it in our social media posts today as well with the links to all of the stories we are working here today. All right, Q&A with Joe Parisi, the county executive, will be held here on Monday, March 11th. This is coming up really fast. He'll be visiting the Fitchburg Senior Center, and we'll have a discussion and give an update on the work Dane County is doing to clean up our lakes, finance renewable energy development, and how this will benefit the county taxpayers. He will speak for roughly 30 minutes and then allow for questions. This will be held at the Stoner Prairie Dining Room in the Fitchburg Senior Center, 5510 Lacey Road. It's on the lower level. Kicks off at 10:45 a.m. And oh yeah, we'll be there. We will be there, Andrew. Let me tell you, you'll be there. He's like, whatever. All right, watch out for the latest Medicare scam, a DNA and genetic testing schemes. This story just boggles my mind. I had it on the update, and we wanted to give you just a little bit more info into this. But basically, the scam is, and the funny part is they're using it like with like an ice cream social or like this big event.
When you come in for a social event like this, then this is when they're scamming you.
So basically, older adults at senior center housing complexes and other community locations are being targeted by companies promoting free genetic testing, cancer screening, or DNA testing. Older adults are asked to swab their cheeks to collect a DNA sample, which has been sent to the lab for analysis. They are told that the test will be completely covered by Medicare, and all you need to do is process it with giving them your Medicare number. Bad idea. Very bad idea. It moves on to say that, there's many variations to this scam, first and foremost.
Basically, this is not covered by your Medicare.
It is not, no. That is
so this is where they get you.
Yeah. Well, they'll have your number, and then they can, the thieves can give it out to other people. You just don't know what they're going to do with it. But, this one's being done by calling as well. I mean, they're just contacting your home, probably with a fake number, and this is a spoofing number, if you will. And, yeah, you got to be careful. But the Senior Medicare Patrol, they're out there to help you, and we suggest that if you have given out your number and you think you shouldn't have, you can contact them at 888-818-2611, and actually we will have the Senior Medicare Patrol on this show. Yeah, we're going to talk with them, and they're actually are featured on a new show, Learning Annex 2.0, and at least that's the name we're going with right now. Because Andrew can't come up with any other name.
I can't. I got nothing.
He's got nothing.
I try.
Go figure. We'll share that link to that website as well, again, on links when we post up our social media. All right, that does it for our headlines. Coming up next, we're taking you out to last night's forum on two parts. We're going to start with the opening statements from both Aaron and Jason, your mayoral candidates here. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.